Hello traders, and welcome to Hit the Mark Trading's daily US dollar index review. My name is Martin Rimes. Today's date is Monday, January 13, 2014. Hey, while you are looking at this, please consider looking at Hit the Mark Trading website. Okay? You're going to find out a little bit about what I do, how we call trades in advance. Find out about boot camp if you're interested in trend and momentum trading. And this is new. You can learn options, I'm telling you. So just click on that and you'll find out how we are going to use chart reading, okay? Visual chart reading. Rather than rely on lots of adjustments using the Greeks, we're going to use visual chart reading strategies to make option trading relaxed, okay? Now, while you're here, go to the contact page and you'll have the opportunity to sign up for Rooster Call, okay? What is Rooster Call? Well, click on this. Rooster Call is my morning email that I send out to clients. Basically, I've got coffee in hand. I'm looking at charts. I'm looking at fundamental news, and I'm making a little synopsis of what I think we should be looking at before we start a trading day here in the USA. Okay, so it's free. I give it to clients. I'd like to give it to you, and let's get on with the show. Remember, everything I mention in this recording is for your educational purposes only. Let's go to the charts. Okay, here we are. Wow, this is so familiar. What happens? Well, many times when we break out, we come back to test that line again. I'm telling you, it's as regular as rain. So I'm really not surprised about this. And I think I mentioned last week that we could see this occur. Okay? Now, the question is, are we going to see US dollar continue to fall? If so, well, I guess we're making that trek down to 79,500 again. First 80, of course. But what you want to watch out for is, gosh, we're testing this moving average. Moving average is saying we're in an uptrend. So we want to look for a potential long signal here, okay? All right, good. Let's just take a look at the weekly. Hey, I know we covered this yesterday, but just in case you weren't here. All right, we've got these signals here, and the multitude of the signals to go along is what is so exciting to me. All right. Now, granted, we are down a little bit, but hey, this is just one day in a weekly chart. One day. So this means nothing. All right. Obviously, if we continue dropping, gosh, we talked about that, 79,500. Okay, we're going to just probably test this bottom channel line yet again. Okay, all right. By the way, Treasury budget was out and the U.S. showed a surplus on the budget. Well, that should be dollar positive. Okay, remember the monthly tells you, please don't get excited. Look at the bottom here. This is our support. In the event we break up, we have no aspirations of a giant move. 85 has shown itself to be very strong resistance. Now, in the event we pop higher, yes, absolutely. 90 is in the cards. Absolutely. You need to look at support and resistance on this monthly chart like a concrete barrier. Okay? Because it's been doing this since, what is this? Oh, where I've got the arrow pointed is November 30th, 2011, right? Okay. Respect, support, and resistance. Let me go to the day trading chart here. Okay, now, hey, US dollar index is not going to really set the world on fire a lot of times when we talk about day trading. It's when we get a swing set up, that's when money can be made. But we did have some respectable move here, so let me just see. This is like midnight, at midnight, okay? So if you're overseas, you participated or had the opportunity to participate in this. So let's just see what this range was. You see, about 225, okay? And then, of course, here we are at 8:30 in the morning. And what happens? Down we go. Okay, so really, did anything happen? Not much. The way we trade the commodity channel index, one of the ways, let me do this again, are these diagonal trend line breaks. Okay, so diagonal trend line break, rejection of the floor pivot, boom. Okay, nice. Good. So I think we, considering US dollar, this is a good range. It really is. Okay, it's a good range for US dollar. All right, what are we looking for tomorrow? Let's move this guy over here. Okay. Lower him a little bit. That looks good to me. Make another one. Okay. All right. So, expectations. Let me get rid of that. Thank you very much. Get rid of this. Thank you very much. Here's the floor pivots for tomorrow. So, the fact that we have this line down here next to this floor pivot, okay, like this floor pivot and this line, to me that's a big magnet, okay, and the trend is certainly down. Obviously, if we move up, we're going to do the first order of business is, hey, I want to retest the recent high. So we're going to look right over here, okay? Whoops. Oh, we might as well say the R1, okay? Very good. So that's your initial targets. Do this one more time. Okay. Very good.